Hey guys, Cameron Snow here from Internet Marketing Insights, and in this video I will explain what a CMS or content management system is and why it is important to you. But first, let me emphasize that we make videos on a regular basis, so if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications if you want to remain up to speed with what's going on in the world of digital media and marketing. So a content management system, or CMS, manages the creation and modification of digital content for your business's website. A content management system tends to be a software that empowers you to create and manage content on your website. This includes the site's design, texts, graphics, and even internal code. It's essentially the architecture of your online presence. Landing pages, squeeze pages, product pages, and service pages are all pages that are relevant to the makeup of your CMS. Some examples of CMSs that you have already heard of could be WordPress, HubSpot, Joomla, and Squarespace. Now, why is a CMS important for your company or brand's digital media status? When you've chosen a CMS that is just the right fit for your online business, your CMS will ultimately do all the heavy lifting for you. An exceptional content management system helps you build a website without you having to worry about writing all the code from scratch or even knowing how to code it at all. So instead of building your own system for creating web pages, storing images, or just the use of other functions, a CMS takes care of the infrastructure so you can concentrate on the front end of your website and essential business metrics that comes with it. Now, one of the most common questions of concern when it comes to content management systems is how exactly can you use a CMS for your company? I'm going to go ahead and walk you through the fundamentals of using a CMS to fortify your online presence. Whether you think you're an experienced website owner or not, you need to integrate the use of a CMS to build a website. Plain and simple, it's necessary, whether you have a one-page site or dozens of pages within your website. You really need to analyze your online business and the content that you strive to create for your audience or consumers, because you simply can't build a business or brand through social media exposure alone. You should know this by now. It's 2021, and it's harder than ever to grow online. What happens when Facebook changes its terms and conditions, or Instagram completely shuts down for some reason? Instagram's been spotty lately, and we all know it's been a little weird, and anything could happen, really. We can't rely on just growing online solely, because there's already so much competition and saturation within that area. As much as we want to deny it or not think about it, when it comes to making money online by any means or model, your ability to comfortably control every aspect of an online business is quite volatile. Much of your content can get misplaced and even discharged by search engines, and that can be fatal to your business, which is why you have to have a website that is built upon a strong content management system. So we know that we use a CMS to make a website management easier, but we can also use a CMS for several other helpful business integrations. You may design preset templates that are visually appealing to website visitors and buyer traffic using a CMS. Templates are beneficial because they provide you with a clear visual representation of your website well ahead of time as you prepare to post content on it. You can create page templates for specific needs. A real-life example of this is if you were to make every pricing page look the same. You can easily do this with a CMS, as you would be able to modify your pages exactly how you like. We could make this happen with a pricing template. You won't have to start from nothing when creating a pricing page for a certain service if you do it this way. Simply use the pricing template and make changes as needed. You can also make themes for about pages, which usually include more graphics than the rest of the site. A CMS service can be a lifesaver for many online creators and business owners alike. But the biggest takeaway of this video for you today should be understanding the importance of finding a CMS that fits your needs and style, because it's quite important. Not all content management systems are the same, as some have a bit of a learning curve, but many CMS services hold great power once you are able to learn how to leverage their services and features. Some content management systems are more user-friendly and easy to manage compared to other CMS services. Thanks so much for listening in today, guys, and I hope that I was able to help out with some of your questions or concerns regarding content management systems. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Have a good one, guys, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.